What up guys, good morning, how are you? What's news? Give me some good news. Good news for me is, we arrived here last night and I didn't know where we were at all. I still don't really know where we are, I'll find out in a minute. But look at the view that I've woken up to. Awesome. Got up at 5:30, did all my work, so that's done. Struggling a little bit with it uploading at the moment, so apologies for the late vlogs. Yeah, today we are doing some fun stuff, including chilling at the beach, which I'm so looking forward to. I haven't been in the sea for way too long. Let's crack on with today. Alright, this morning we are doing a hike for a couple of hours and through the same forest that we did the zip lining, so it should be nice. We just got shot on by a monkey. Oh, right on the bag! We haven't even started our walk yet and we've already had stuff thrown at us by a spider monkey. This is wild. Ollie's found a tarantula and we're trying to tickle him out of the hole a little bit. So this forest is called a cloud forest and they get a fair amount of rain here, but actually the forest sits at the cloud level and the trees are covered in moss, and that's how it holds in rain. That's how it holds its humidity and moisture. What tree is that?
Tree fern.
Tree fern.
It's a whole lot of roots.
It's like Jurassic Park.
I know you want to hug it. I knew you were going to do that.
It's a nice little hike. More of a walk than a hike. Nice and relaxing. Swipes, you get the shot of the clouds, yeah?
What you can even see, I guess. You know?
Enjoying the cloud forest vibes?
Yes.
Cloud forest is cloudy, man.
I like clouds.
So moist.
So moist. It's just so moist over here.
This hike has got me thinking, and actually this whole trip has got me thinking about, like, why does Costa Rica do so much to help conserve their environment, and why don't other countries do the same sort of conservation work? Hello. Like, this is spectacular, and they put a lot of effort into preserving their natural environment. It just seems like they care, you know, about making sure all of this is still here in 50 years time, and just don't get that vibe from very many countries at all. Yeah, just got me thinking, why? It sounds like the forest noises from the Hunger Games.
It's a restaurant I use a lot for the group.
We've come into town and we're going to get some local food. We're just going to pick a random restaurant, I think. Seems like everybody around here carries a machete just randomly on the street, and also rides a dirt bike. It's quite cool.
Oh, it's like gangster.
We're going to this place called the Treehouse restaurant vibes. Tree? Oh, definitely is a tree house.
Ah.
Damn. Lunch was fantastic. I'm just trying to find some somewhere to buy more data for my phone because I've used like 4 gigabytes so far. I need to upload when I'm on the road. Also, to answer a couple of your questions, yes, the vlog that went up today called Canyon Freefall is 24 hours late, and there should be another one going up on the same day today. But I'm just having an absolute nightmare with uploading at the moment. There just is unusable internet everywhere we go. So bear with me guys, I'm doing my best. Hola.
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo está?
Muy bien, gracias. Right, after what seems like 25 years on the road, we have arrived at a hotel. This is my little humble little abode. Ta-da! I'm gonna sleep like a baby, but not like crying and pooing everywhere. Dinner time, dinner time. Is that dinner? That looks more like dessert. Try, at least try. Cheers. We're doing that thing where whoever checks their phone first has to buy everybody a round of drinks. That's my phone there. I love buffets. Buffets are my friend. Are they your friend?
Yes.
You just made a friend as well, didn't you? Horridly just made a friend. That guy over there just horridly hit on Jamie. Do you like him, Jamie? Right guys, I've had a shower and I've got my button-up shirt on. Looking smart. I'm gone for shoes and shorts. What are you thinking about that? I just think you've got to get creative sometimes, a little bit. Steve, what do you think about that? Because I know you're watching this. Steve, comment, let me know what you're thinking about that. I've had a couple of sherbet dib dabs. I'm on the Coronas tonight. Beautiful drink. We're going to go for a bit of a dance now. Do you want to come with us? Let's go. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We wearing
We have arrived. Sarah's looking swish. Swope's looking dope. Elisa's looking fabulous. We are going to the monkey bar. Hot dogs are made of dogs.
No, they're not. You're made of dogs.
Right guys, we got home safe and sound. I will check you tomorrow. I've had 1 or 2 sherbet dib dabs at this stage. Tomorrow I'm not sure what we're up to. I think we're having a beach day. Adios. Remember to work hard, be nice to people, try not to get lost or killed. Okay, love you, bye.
Sarah.
It was a pleasure,
Sarah, have a jolly. Lekker bro.
Sarah.